Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. Today, I'm doing a review on a company I have never done a review for before. And I'll be honest with you, I don't recall hearing from them before I looked them up on the internet. As you guys know, I have a huge collection of flannels, party shirts, bamboo shirts from all different kind of companies. All the companies. And this is the first one I'm doing from this company. This one here is called Born Scum. And that, I believe that was the name of the company. Yep, it is Born Scum. They make some flannels. I got 2 of them in this bag. And we're going to see how they are. Let's go ahead and, well, if I can tell you already, they're super soft. More like a retro rifle feel to it. That's just by feeling it in the package. And trying to see if they give me the names of these things on here. Okay, yep, there's names on them. All right, so I got 2 flannels. It also comes with a sheet here. And they are based out of Boise, Idaho. How about that? Oh, Boise's are boisterous. Remember that commercial? The Boise, the potato chips? Huh. Oh, Boise's are oh boisterous. I don't remember the rest of it, but I do remember that part. All right, so looks like I ordered these on the 4th of July. So it must have been a 4th of July sale. And that is their website here. Let's look at their logo. Born Scum. All right. So this one here is going to be a Thrill 3XL. This one here is called the Death Shred Flannel. And I do like the little logo they have on the bags. That's pretty cool. And of course it has the little like tombstone, or not tombstone, casket, like old wooden casket with like the skull on there. That's pretty cool. And they got the Born Scum here on the bottom. Let's see about this one. This one is the Warhound flannel. Same type of thing. That's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get them open here. What's the back? See, they say anything on the back? No, it just says you can suffocate from the bags. Ooh, I like this one. All right. Yeah, these are super soft. These are a lot softer. These are like a retro rifle type soft. Ooh, oh, drop something here. What'd I drop? Probably one of the little packet things. All right, so this is, what was this one called? The cheese and crackers. This one is called the Warhound Flannel, size 3XL, Born Scum. I do like the pocket. Look at this little pocket thing. Little skull on there. It's got a thing on the bottom as well, like they do. Yep. Oh, look at that. Born Scum on the bottom. They got a sunglass wipe. Nope, because I never use them anyway. But that is that one. Let's see what this little tag says. Just curious. Okay, so it says Born Scum on the front. And on the back, it says www.bornscum.com. Their Instagram is, well, at born_scum and hashtag Born Scum. All right. So that is that one. This one here was, again, with a Warhound, I believe it was called. Warhound Flannel. All right. Now, this one is called the Death Shred Flannel. I really like the blue on it. Man, these are soft. I better keep these bags out so I know which one's which called. All right. Same type of thing here. A little bit here. Oh, look at it. Let me see. There's a warning on there. How about that? Look at the logo they got on the collar here. That's pretty cool. Look at that. So this one here is the Warhound Born Scum 3XL, designed in Idaho. That's pretty cool. It's got a little hang tag too. And this one here, this one is the Born Scum, the Death Shred 3XL. It's got the little thing on the front here as well. Yeah, these are like super soft. On the bottom, you got the Born Scum on the bottom. So we're going to show and pause it. We're going to show a close-up of these two pieces of flannels that seem to be really good quality. We're going to have to try them out to find out for sure, though. All right, give me one moment. All right, so here is the Death Shred. That's a pretty nice little blue there. You know, I'm in the bright colors, so I got the brightest ones I could find. Again, you got the skull of the logo. And look at this. Death Shred. He's actually surfing. Looks like the Grim Reaper is surfing here. That's pretty damn cool. Of course, you got that logo at the bottom. Let's see what the buttons say. The buttons say Born Scum. Did you say Born Scum on the buttons? That's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and go to the Warhound. Another bright color flannel. Definitely Moose approved. Born Scum 3XL. Got the Born Scum buttons. Man, that's a sharp looking flannel. I like that. And like I said, here's those little thing there. I don't know if these are stickers or what, but pretty cool. Can't wait to try these on. This one here is really promising. I like this one a lot. All right, let's go ahead and try it on. All right, first of all, wow. These things feel amazing. This is the Death Shred. And one thing I noticed as soon as I tried it on, first of all, everybody knows me. I'm 6'4", basically, 220 pounds. I usually get 3XL flannels because the 2XL tees that for a lot of companies, they're like, they just feel weird. Like the sleeves might be a little long, but the reason I get 3XL is because my torso is longer. So the 3XL makes up the difference. But I'll tell you what, when I put this one on, 3XL is long and I love it. I mean, I probably could have got a 2XL, but I mean, just the length of these flannels, they're longer than Dixon. They're longer. I mean, they're about the same size as Hales as far as length goes, but they're definitely longer than Retro Rifle or Divided. And let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. This thing's sweet, by the way. I really do like this. And what if I had my microphone on? So you guys can hear me better now. But here it is. Yeah, this thing is perfect length. I mean, this thing it's long. This looks really good. Wow. You know, they always say you got one chance to make a first impression. And Born Scum made a great impression. This is sick. Yeah. Wow. Again, this is the Death Shred. And this flannel, I mean, it is soft. There's nothing negative I can say about this at all. Wow, this is nice. This is great. You know when I try these companies, you know, they're small companies to begin with, and I don't know what to expect. Like I did that one with Head Change Gear, and it was absolutely amazing hat. And then when you do something like this, it's like you're just like, holy cow. And I'm glad. I mean, I would have never, if I hadn't scrolled across, I would have never known about it. Yeah, so let me go ahead and try the Warhound on, and I have a feeling I like that more because I actually like the color coordinated with that one. Our colors on that one more. Let's go ahead and do it. I was saying this Warhound is an amazing flannel. This thing is nice. The Death Shred that I just had, that was easily a 4.5 flannel. I've only given maybe 2 or 3 5.0 flannel scores in my life, and this could get it. This Warhound is special. I love the colors. Let's go ahead and stand it up here and show you what it looks like on. Yeah, this is it. Man, the length on this thing is amazing. You know, thing is like, I wish all flannels had this kind of length on it. I know this is a 3XL, but this is by far longer than what Dixon, or this is by far the longest flannel, which is perfect. I could have got a 2XL in this, but man, the length is great. That's a key selling point for me. But this just looks sick. Holy cow. How have I not heard of these guys? How have I not? How come even the groups that I'm a part of, no one's ever talked about Born Scum before. And I just don't understand how I haven't never ran across them. Man, oh man, this is just sick. This thing feels great. Let me get my sleeve down here a little bit more. Yeah, man, this is good. Nice. Born Scum. You'll be hearing more from me in the future. This thing is nice. I'm going to give this a 4.8, 4.9. I can't give it a 5.0, but I have a feeling that if there's going to be some more colors coming out, if there's more like some bright, because if you guys know me, I mean, these are Moose approved for sure as far as the colors go, but you guys know me, I'm an oddball type things with colors, and I'm definitely going to look for Born Scum to see if they got any more of those wild colors available, because then that would, Flannel's definitely going to get a 5.0 from them. Nice. Nice job, gentlemen, or whoever's running Born Scum. Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see everybody next time. Thanks again for watching.